In this video, I will break down the shipping options on Whatnot, where to find them and how to choose the best option to reduce shipping cost. So first open the Whatnot app. Now go to the Seller Hub and tap the three lines menu at the top and select shipping. From here, tap on domestic shipments to view all available shipping options. You will see several domestic shipping options listed. So let's go through them one by one. This option is for lightweight shipments under 3 ounces. It applies to items valued at $20 or less. If the item value is over $20, it will automatically be upgraded to USPS Ground Advantage. This is a great option for small value items. And next is USPS Priority Mail, which covers shipments between 1 and 5 pounds. This is one of the fastest and most reliable shipping option. In my opinion, this is usually the best choice for most sellers. USPS flat rate boxes are perfect if you ship multiple items or want a fixed shipping cost within the US. As long as it fits in the box, it ships for the same price no matter the weight. For heavier items, you will typically use USPS Priority Mail or USPS flat rate boxes. Again, Priority Mail is usually my go-to option because it balances and speed and reliability. Choosing the right shipping option can help you save money, ship faster, and keep buyers happy. That's how you find and understand shipping options on Whatnot. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.